Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we'll learn about how to draw a star schema. In our previous lecture, we have learned about what is schema, what is a fact, what is dimension, and what is a measure. But in this lecture, we'll learn all the things with the help of example. So let's start.
So to draw the star schema, we'll take one example here. Suppose મારી પાસે પ્લેસમેન્ટનો ડેટા છે અને પ્લેસમેન્ટના ડેટાનું મારા ડેટા વેરહાઉસ ક્રિએટ કરવું છે. તો એ માટે સૌથી પહેલી વસ્તુ લઈશું એ છે પ્લેસમેન્ટ. And we are creating a table for the placement. So આપણે એક ટેબલ લઈશું જેમાં ડિટેલ્સ હશે પ્લેસમેન્ટના ડેટાની. હવે પ્લેસમેન્ટમાં કઈ કઈ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન જનરેટ હોય છે તો કે નંબર ઓફ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ આપ્યા. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ કે 40 સ્ટુડન્ટ્સે પ્લેસમેન્ટ માટે ટ્રાય કરી છે, એક્ઝામ આપી છે, તો એ નંબર ઓફ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ ક્વોલિફાઈડ એન્ડ નંબર ઓફ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ નોટ ક્વોલિફાઈડ. So this is the data of placement. Yes. Now, if you want a placement, then the things related to the placements are students. Without student, we can't do a placement. Next is a company, in which company students are placed, and next is a TPO, who are responsible for placement in the students. So these three are the main attributes here. So the first is students. So students છે તો એમનો બી ડેટા હશે, તો એમના એટ્રીબ્યુટ્સ જેમ કે સ્ટુડન્ટ આઈડી, સ્ટુડન્ટ નેમ, સ્ટુડન્ટના CPI. નેક્સ્ટ જેમ મેં કીધું એમ TPO. So TPO also has their own attributes, which is the TPO ID, TPO name, TPO qualification. Also, the last component is a company, and company also has their own attributes: company ID, company name, and company location. Yes. So this is the data of placement. So this is the individual data of schema. That there is one table of placement, another table is student, another table is for TPO, and another table is for company. Okay. So now the placement is related with all the three tables. So it contains the data of. So the placement contains the data of company, student, and TPO. So as shown in the slide, we can see that it contains the primary key of all the three tables. Suppose the primary key of student is a student ID, primary key of TPO is a TPO ID, and the primary key of company is a company ID. So these three are the primary key of all three tables. So the placement data also contains the primary key of all the tables. So as I already said in our previous lecture, that the fact table contains the primary key as well as the measures. Okay. So here placement is become the fact table. Okay. Why? Because it contains the primary key of all other tables like company, students, and TPO. Okay. And also it contains their own measures. Now what is the term measures? Measure is a numeric value. Here we can see that number of students appear is a numeric value. For example, 40. Number of students qualified 10 is also a numeric value. And number of students not qualified, for example, 30. So it is also the numeric value. So all the three attributes are measured in the numbers. That is why it's called measures. So we can say that fact table is contained two things. First is the primary key of all the dimension table, and second is the measures. So as I said, fact table contains the primary key of dimension tables. So here the company, students, and TPO are become the dimension table. Yes. So now I hope you all understand what is a fact table and what is a dimension table. Dimension table contains the attribute of that specific subject, and the fact table contains the primary key of all the dimension table as well as the measures. Now this is the structure of star schema. The last steps to draw the star schema is we have to join all the table with the fact table. और બધા જ ડાયમેન્શન ટેબલ છે જેમ કે કંપની છે, સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ છે, TPO છે, એમને આપણે ફેક્ટ ટેબલ પ્લેસમેન્ટ સાથે અટેચ કરવાનું છે. Here I am attaching all the 3 dimension table with the fact table. So this is the star schema. So star schema માં શું હોય છે જનરલી કે એક ફેક્ટ ટેબલ હોય છે અને મલ્ટિપલ ડાયમેન્શન ટેબલ હોય છે. બધા ડાયમેન્શન ટેબલને પોતપોતાના એટ્રીબ્યુટ્સ હોય છે અને પ્રાઇમરી કી હોય છે. સો ફેક્ટ ટેબલ હોય છે એમાં શું હોય છે કે એ ફેક્ટ ટેબલ છે એમાં બધા જ ડાયમેન્શન ટેબલની પ્રાઇમરી કી હોય છે અને પોતાના મેજર્સ હોય છે ઓર ધ ન્યુમેરિક વેલ્યુ હોય છે પોતાની. ઓકે, સો this is the structure of star schema. So I hope you all understand how to draw the star schema. I again repeat, there is one fact table, multiple dimension table. Each dimension table has their own attributes. Fact table contains the primary key of the dimension table and the measures. And at the last step, we connect all the dimension table to the fact table. So this is the process of drawing the star schema. It's so simple. So I hope you all understand how to draw the star schema.